Welcome to the magic city, where the promise never sleeps. A concrete universe with secrets that it keeps. The energy is pulsing, the streets are paved with gold. 1,000 different futures waiting to unfold. Every corner turns into a beautiful setting sign. Living in the magic city, where everything is divine. I brought my doubts here packaged neatly in a case, but the moment that I stepped out, they vanished without a trace. This place demands your courage, it needs your wildest heart, it gives you